Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well and very much awaiting notification has been released by ibps and you have already know that. And once again, look at the important things and these are the important dates and already filling application already started from 7th June and 20 days left for filling application and our prelims exam will be conducted in the month of August and mains examination conducted in the month of September and a provisional allotment will be released in the month of January 2023. And I hope all the things you have already know that. And these are the total vacancies of RRB office assistant and RRB officer scale 1. And these are the state-wise vacancies of office assistant. And these are the state-wise vacancies of RRB PO. And also we have to know that the medium of exam and the medium of exam will be in the language of the state to which we are applying. So before going to filling application, you must learn the language of that state where you are applying. So once again, look at the languages of that state. And this is the exam pattern of prelims for PO and clerk. Reasoning 40 questions and numerical ability 40 questions. And there is a composite time of 45 minutes for both PO and clerk. And also the medium of exam will be in the language of the state to which we are applying. And also in the main examinations, each section has 40 questions and there is also a composite time of 2 hours. And there are extra 3 subjects of computer knowledge, English language and general awareness. And also the exam pattern is same for both PO and office assistant. So once again, look at the exam pattern. And also we have to know that the previous year cutoffs for both PO and clerk. And this is the RRB PO prelims cutoff for the year 2021. And this is the RRB clerk prelims cutoff for the year of 2021. So once again, look at the all previous year cutoffs before filling application to which state you are applying. And also these are the exam dates and the online preliminary examination in the month of August and these are the dates. And also online main examination in the month of September for officer scale 1 and office assistant in month of October. So we have just 60 days for preliminary examination and 90 days for mains examination. So start your preparation. And also I will provide daily to-do list for both PO and clerk from today onwards. And also we have to know the exam pattern for quant and reasoning section. So in quant section there are 40 questions and there is data interpretation 10 question, number series 5 questions, simplifications 10 to 12 questions and word problems 12 to 13 questions. And also for reasoning section there are 40 questions and most questions comes from puzzles and sitting arrangements. And also I will provide my daily to-do list according to this exam pattern. And in mains examination we have extra 3 subjects: English, computer awareness, current affairs with including banking awareness. So from today onwards I am providing daily to-do list videos for both PO and clerk, for prelims and also for mains examinations, for both who are beginners and also who are already preparing. So stay with us and I will provide the best for our both prelims and mains examinations. So get ready for the daily to-do list and daily in evening I will provide the list for the next day preparation. So let's crack the exams together to achieve our dreams and start your preparation with confidence and also be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and also for latest updates.